Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix keyboard not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have keyboard reset dictionary. What basically stands between you and smooth keyboard is the dictionary words that the keyboard is accurate over time. Resetting the keyboard dictionary will resolve the issue, and the following shows how to do. Open the setting, you have scroll app, then you have click on general, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, scroll app, then you have click on reset. Then you have seen third number option, reset keyboard dictionary. So you have click here, only his reset dictionary keyboard. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset keyboard. Then second solution, you have update to the latest iOS version. Normally the new iOS version will try to fix some bugs and issues earlier, and Apple will release software updates regularly. Open the settings, so you have click on general, again click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so you must be installed. iPhone will check for update. If there is an available, one click download and install to the latest iPhone operating system, then your problem will be fixed. If there are second solution is not working, the third solution, you have uninstall and reinstall the problematic app on your iPhone. Any app is problem when keyboard, then you have, if it is certain app that you have the keyboard issue with, it is likely the app is problematic and now your keyboard, and so you should consider reinstalling the app on your iPhone for the that matter. Then fourth solution, turn the zoom features of your iPhone. The zoom features on your iPhone also involves the keyboard, and you may want to try turning it off to see if your keyboard is starting working properly. It is pretty easy to disable the zoom features on iPhone, and below how to do it. So you have open the setting, click on accessibility, then you have click on zoom, turn off from here, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. Then I have already used, then I am turn on. Then last solution, you have reset or setting. If the keyboard just does not appears all while trying to tap something on your, consider reset or setting on your device and reset it from this scratch. It is fairly easy to do that, and following shows how. Open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings. If your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.